Hello, Mrs. Kemp. What you got going on today?
Ooh, something I've never made before. Let's see how it comes out. Kind of made pizza before. This is a hack on the Big Dipper from Pizza Hut. We're gonna try it. I'm just gonna see if I can get
Yeah, that's them darn birds out there.
birds all over the place. I'm trying to see if I can get them lined up right so I can cut them and then cut it down the middle. So leave a little space right here, leave some space in between. We'll see. Sprayed the pan with Pam and I preheated the oven to 400. And we're gonna cook it for about 18 to 20 minutes at that temperature. I may turn the heat up a little bit because I like when the pepperonis get crispy around the edges.
Me too.
So you can hear that little crunch when you bite into it. So we'll see. Got this dough here from Publix. Luckily we found some. So yeah, you can get this dough. Pizza dough already made for you. And they have the ball of dough too if you want to do it that way, but this is easy.
I didn't see the ball.
There were no balls for today?
Everything is scarce right now.
Try not to even think about it. Try to go on with life. So, they got this like waxy paper. And this plastic container right here. Pop it in there. This costs, what is it, $3.59. It makes this whole pan. You see the dough didn't stick because I sprayed the pan like I said. I'm gonna try and shape it to this square pan so it'll look like the Big Dipper on the commercial. I know you guys been seeing that commercial from Pizza Hut. Can't say you ain't watching no TV right now because unless you're watching just Netflix. Get in there. It's hard to stretch it. Stretch it out so it'll stay. It's cold, so it's hard to get it to mold to the pan.
Looks like you're doing a pretty good job.
Yes, yes. It's not my first rodeo. It's my second.
What did we make last time?
Just cheese bread.
Oh yeah, I saw that on one video with the barbecue.
So then change it up a little bit this time.
Yep.
Because he wants pizza.
On the Big Dipper.
Yeah, but I refuse to buy anything from anyone else's hands right now, so I'm gonna do it myself. Even though this dough came from them, I hope that cooking it kills whatever germs it has.
Oh, it will. It will. Especially at 400 degrees.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna turn that sucker up to 450. So,
Looks like you did a good job with that.
yeah. It's as much as I can stretch it without it ripping. That little hole right there.
I'm cool with it.
Okay.
So what's your ingredients for this?
Ingredients?
Looks like it's pretty simple.
It is. It's just pizza. So, I got some Prego pizza sauce. See that? Pizzeria style. Now we had two choices of pepperonis. We got some sliced pepperonis from Publix, which look really thin, so it'll work out really well, and they're not too wide. And then
Oven's ready.
Heat it to 400. So then we had the Hormel, the old original Hormels. But my other half here chose these because they're nice and thin.
I like everything from Publix.
So we're gonna use these. Publix has some good stuff now.
I like everything from Publix.
So
Even the sushi.
stay. What?
I said even the sushi.
Okay.
But I ain't messing with that right now.
All right. We're gonna put some sauce down. And should I poke some holes?
Not sure.
I think I should poke holes like they do for the pizza.
You can.
Let me get a fork.
What does that help with? Like making like air?
Mm-hmm.
Or it cooks, the dough cooks all the way through, I guess?
Yeah, I don't know. But I'm just gonna give them a little
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share. Like the shirt says. We would appreciate it.
Okay.
You looking fly.
Let me get a spoon so I can spread some sauce. I'm gonna do this real thin because it's gonna still be like cheesy bread kind of. So I don't want it to be gushin, which sauce, I don't like a lot of sauce in mine. Do you?
Nope.
So it's to our liking. You can do it your way, but this is mine. Okay. Hopefully I can open this, or the cameraman is gonna have to pause.
No, easy. Easy money.
Okay.
I don't go too light now.
I'm not.
Oh, that's too light.
Maybe I ain't even put nothing in there yet. You gave me a chance, buddy.
Little buddy. Look at those seasonings in that sauce.
How long has it been since I kissed you?
Okay.
I don't wanna wait. How long has it been since you held me?
Now, you made a pizza before. Oh, I didn't even tell you we had cheese. So we got Sargento. I bought Sargento. He bought Kraft. I'm going to use
You know why I bought Kraft? Because it's buy one, get one.
See, when I bought these, it was buy one, get one.
Yeah.
So, that's why I bought these.
It was BOGO.
You need some BOGO on these because Publix is expensive. I can't open it.
We pay for the quality.
I had to get some scissors. I got it, I think.
It's an Army soldier right there.
So, last time we made pizza, I put down, what did I do?
You put the pepperoni first.
All the peppers and everything, made it all neat and pretty, and then put the cheese. And that did not work. So, we're going to put the cheese first, like I was supposed to the last time. To do that, you gotta leave an edge. You want to leave some edge so that you can have that puffy crust. That's why I kind of bent it over on, like, lifted the sides a little. Definitely using all this, and then I may go into that bag that he bought too. Because I don't think that's enough cheese. It's not enough pizza.
I like extra cheese, please.
So, if I open this one,
You got it.
I can't even see. I don't have my glasses on. Smell the cheese first and check it out. You never know.
Yeah, like I just bought some dressing from there. Some salad dressing. It was expired since January, so I gotta take it back tomorrow.
That's ridiculous. January. Y'all, it's the end of March.
Yep.
Better be checking those shelves.
Better get it right,
First
Publix.
out.
Better get it right, Publix. Yep, you guys better use your best practice.
First out, peeps.
Hey, I'm not available anymore, people.
I'm gonna be available soon. Never know.
Tracy's available, people. Come get her.
Get me. I know that stuff. My SKUs and everything. Okay. That look good?
Looks perfect. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
It looks a little ball right there.
That's good, man.
Okay.
Cheese monster.
I know. Why you get another bag?
We got another one.
I know.
Let's buy one, get one.
Surprised we don't have more dough today. I know it's not closing. I hate these bags.
That's why we put it in a double bag.
Yep. Some of them won't close.
Once we open it, we put it in another figure bag.
Ziploc bag. Okay, you can fight with that. Now, pepperonis. This is the trick, because I want it to look like
Big Dipper.
the Big Dipper. So I'm gonna cut it this way and cut them in half. Since I'm cutting it in half, I know I need to leave a space in the middle here, like right in here. So I'm not gonna go past there. Is this 2? Yep, these are perfect. They're thin. So I'm gonna make a line. How many you want?
As many as you can
Like
put.
4 per line?
As many as you can put, ma'am.
It's not gonna make 4, I don't think. Because I want to make
3's good.
3.
Mm-hmm. That way it actually sticks on cheese.
Hmm?
That's good like that.
Okay.
So we're just gonna show you guys a couple, and then we're gonna speed it up, of course.
So you're gonna cut it. So you're gonna leave a little space. So you know where to cut.
Looking like the Big Dipper to me. All I need is something to dip it in.
Did you bring anything to dip it in?
Pizza sauce.
Oh, you're gonna do the marinara thing? Okay. See in the middle.
I've been thinking about you. I'm waiting for it all to come true. I'm longing to hear you say, you know that I miss us. I wanna be the one that you trust, 'cause you have stole my heart away.
Cut it, because I'm gonna take it out of the pan and then I'm gonna cut it. So we'll be back as soon as it's done. I'm gonna stick it in the oven, like I said, about 18 to 20 minutes on 400 degrees, and then I'm gonna check it out. It'll last about 5 minutes, and I might turn it up to 450 so I can get those little crispy edges on
Heart's
it.
already chose you. It's so scary thinking I can lose you, that you will turn and walk away. Maybe I win, maybe I lose, but nevertheless I'm in love with you. So what can I do?
I'll get my camera up.
What can I do? It's getting harder. I'm begging.
Chop it up. Really, it's been in about 20 minutes. Check it out.
I like how that's done right there.
That crispy cheese in the middle. You know Pizza Hut. It's smaller because the Big Dipper is about this long. We got a little sauce box.
This is the mini dipper.
Yep. Gotta let that cool a minute. And then I'm gonna transfer it from here to here. And then I'm gonna use the pizza cutter. Go through there. First I'm gonna go through the middle. Then I'm gonna try and make some lines. So we can just pick it up neat. Grab that front right there. First. So I suggest you leave it in about 16 minutes. On that 16th minute, I would turn it up to 425 and keep it on for about 3 to 4 minutes, and just watch the pepperoni get that crispy edge on it. I would have left it longer, but I didn't want it to burn. It smells so good. Should I cut it off?
Yeah, that's fine.
Nah, I think it'd be easier to do these and then let's try it.
I gotta sharpen our pizza cutter.
It's fine.
I should have bought a pizza box so we can make it official. Did really well with this. Looks legit to me.
There we go.
Big Dipper.
Big Dipper. Maybe not. There we go. No, you're right. Need to sharpen this sucker. There we go. Too hot to eat. But you can make your own big dipper at home. As you can see. I'm excited. I've been waiting for this all day. But it's too hot. I don't want to burn my mouth. So, it's done. You see how easy that was.
Give us a recap on what you did, or like just the cook time, I guess.
Cook time was 20 minutes. Prep time was only about 10 minutes. If that, yeah, about 10 minutes. First was the dough. Like I said, you got the prep dough from Publix already made for you. Put it in a pan, square pan. But it's rounded, so you can see the edges are still round because it's hard to get it to flatten out unless you leave it out a little longer because it was cold. If you leave it out a little longer, it'll shape better. We flattened out the dough, spreaded it out, poked some holes into it, and then we put the sauce all over it, spread it out with a spoon, put the cheese, sprinkled cheese, left the edge though. You don't want to put the cheese right on the edge. I mean, you can see it's there, but you want to leave some edges around the edge of the pan of dough, and then sprinkle the cheese all over the dough. After you put the sauce first, cheese, then pepperoni. You want to put the pepperoni in the lines the way that you want to cut it. And then you pop it in the oven for about 18-20 minutes. I think it was about 20 minutes total time. Like I said, at about 16 minutes you should turn it up and keep your eye on it until those last 4 minutes to see at the consistency you like it, because I like it crispy, so that's why it's like this. And then you can see the cheese is all crispy right there. You can see the edges of the pepperoni got crispy. So total time, 20 minutes.
See if you can hold it up, like near your shirt, so I can.
I think it's going to
There
slide
you go.
off.
Just like that.
Tastes just like pizza.
What you thought it was gonna taste like?
I don't know.